Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we just got inside of Five Below. And look at these books, they're $5. They're Super Mario, Minecraft, LeBron James, Lionel Messi, Pokemon, Turtles, Amazing Spider-Man. Ooh, the Bat Wheels. I just figured out who she was because they kept talking about her outfit at the Grammys. Chappelle Rowan or something. And they have Taylor Swift, Frozen, Moana, Barbie, Princess. Let's see. I am a princess. Okay. That's how they look on the inside. Those are $5. Of course, Wicked, Gilmore Girls, Friends, Toy Story, Pokey the Little Puppy, Shrek, SpongeBob, Stitch, Lilo and Stitch, Bluey, Elmo, Paw Patrol, Superman. Who's that? Moomin? Okay. I think we saw that stuff. We saw all of this stuff. We saw the socks and everything at the front. It looks like they're changing out their stuff in this location. We did already see the shirts. I think those shirts are so cute. Oh, we didn't see this one. 1 for you, 2 for me. I have this one, that one. I love me. Betty Boop, of course. Emotionally Unavailable. This one is cute. Galentine's Girls. Wanda. And then look at these bags. These are $7. Bluey, Strawberry Shortcake. Strawberry Shortcake and a Crew. Okay. Pretty much repeats. They have the bottoms and the tops. Look at the rollers. We did see that. The cute slippers with the PJs. They have that in the blue and the pink. We did go through those scents. I hope I find the shelf. I'm surprised I have not ran into that shelf yet. These are cute though. I think these are really cute. Oh, look at how cute those balloons are together. Hollywood LED vanity for $25. And those stools are $7. I have some of the pickleball. And they have some of the men's shirts. Are these for men or women? I don't know. They're cute though. I will wear it either way. I used to always put on my brother's flannels. Let's see, some PJs, the tops and bottoms. It's the flowers. This is how the top looks. There's the blue, the pink, this one, and a gray. The gray and pink. Mix and match. Crew sweatshirts 10. The lounge shorts are 7. Oh, the cute little PJ sets. And more mix and match tops and shorts. I like those. The brown hearts. These are cute. These are cute too. And I like these, of course. Those are cute. And the blue. $8. Ooh, are there some more colors this year? This red is definitely cute. And I have this one in black and white. That's cute. And then they also have the solid black. So excited when I seen the dresses that I didn't show you guys. These muumuus, well, these nightgowns right here. I want to call everything a muumuu. I bought a black dress just similar to this one last year. the strap wasn't so thin. I was really surprised at the way it fit. So I'm definitely gonna get the black and the red and that. And they also have these and this dress. These are shorter. Oh yeah, and I got it in a gray color too. And they have these. I'm not even gonna try these though, because these definitely look too short for me, and they're kind of thinner. But if I was smaller, I would get them. They are definitely cute. I don't see any new graphic tees. Oh wait, Pitbull, Mr. Worldwide. All right, I'm seeing some new picture frames. Look at this tiered bow tray. That's cute. For $5, and they have the vanity mirrors. They also have the mirror with the stand. That's $25. And some more mirrors. And getting ready for summer is some beach towels. Oh, look at that one. It says soda. Skiving. From afar, look like Super Mario characters. But it's just some sea animals. $5 for the portable bank and portable fan chargers. Waterproof pouches, portable fans. Those colors are cute. Blue, clear, pink, green, orange. The inflatable fun projector screens are back. Cordless air pump, $7. These are $5. The little sandcastle buckets. Those are $4. Glam on the go. Strawberry. What's this one? Strawberry, banana, and watermelon. These are $5. Oh, cute lip gloss with the mirror. There's strawberry, clear, vanilla, and cherry. NYC lip mask scrub, lash glam set, beach ball, some more goggles. They always have the big giant games. So it's the 4 in a row. These are $25. The giant tower, $15. Skip it. Oh, cherry cup. Cherry. Seashells, a flower. The LED lanterns. Grow Wild 4-piece tumbler sets. Is the mat broken or is it halfway? You again. Rude. They have their version of the bog bags for $15. Look at those. Those are pink, white, and green. And they have the cute little accessories for the... Oh, these are so cute. Tumbler accessories. These are so cute. Charmed wired headphones. These are $6. The digital cameras. And then look at the accessories to go on the bog bags. And the cute little gibbets. Their bags. And then the cute slippers. It smells so good over here. It smells like a peanut butter. It's almost like someone has on a perfume peanut butter or something. Peanut butter perfume or something. They have the snackle boxes. Let's see. Anything new in tech? Same headphones. Pillow pods, Dream, Snooze, Stream, Snooze. Magnetic wireless earbuds. Trailblazer LED speakers. I think these are $15. They have these speakers with the... Oh no, these are $20. And the Sound Top wireless speaker, $25. I think this is so cute. The birthday queen. I'm gonna get one for Riley. for her birthday. And then look at this one. It says, "It's my day." Let's go, girls. Another one. They have "Let's party." If you like silver, they also, oh, they have the birthday girl. So the birthday girl is in the silver, but the birthday queen is in the gold. Riley prefers gold, I know. She would prefer gold. This is cute. Birthday queen. Congrats, happy birthday. Thanks for being a nice human. Oh, that's a cute balloon too, that happy birthday. These are cute. Oh, wait a minute. I see some fans. Premium clacking fan. There's this one. This one says Slay. This is so cute. Oh, these are cool. They light up in different colors. And I also see this right here. These phone cases by Techtify. It says 2 for $10. Oh, I hope that can stay. And then they have the little the chains. But that is going to be it for us in this Five Below. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and browsing around with me, Shanice. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.